Varhut are located.
NPP Chief Conrad Sangma today met Meghalaya Governor Phaggu Chauhan at Raj Bhavan in Shillong and submitted his resignation letter as Chief Minister and stake claim to form the government. He was accompanied by the NPP MLAs, two BJP MLAs, Sanbor Shilai and A.L. Hek, and one independent MLA of Bakmara, Kartush R. Marak. Sangma informed that the NPP will immediately submit a list of MLAs by evening. According to him, most of the NPP MLAs are still on their way to Shillong since the results were declared just yesterday. Sangma said in the meantime, the BJP and other political parties have already extended their support to the NPP for government formation.
No, the governor has invited us, so we will now, as soon as the MLAs all start arriving here, we will formally, get all the signatures done. As soon as all the MLAs, because the problem is, as I said, the results just came out yesterday. So a lot of the MLAs have just, come out from the constituencies. Some are still on the way. So all these things are there.